was also saying hello guys, welcome. Hi guys, it's Nolu M and these are my babies, Luvuyo and Lilita.
Welcome back to mumzo.munchies. It's me again and we are here with Azza as well. As you can see, we are a full house altogether and we're having a bake date. So today we are making lemon butter cookies. And because of you gang, guys, understand and forgive, we are definitely going the premix route. So we've got a butter biscuit mix from Woolies, and we'll be adding a whole lot of lemony goodness to that. And we'll be enjoying with it. They'll just show some because you love cookies, right? Do you want cookies? We're gonna start with some butter. Mummy's got some tools ready for us to go. And we're going to cream this in our really big bowl. And then once it's nice and creamy, we're going to add our premix.
Okay. So now, what are we doing, guys? We are creaming. Remember, you can't handle this on your own. You have to ask an adult. What do you have to do? Ask an adult. Say it after me. Ask an adult. Yes, yes. Sorry guys, I'm a teacher by nature.
We're going to use two hands, okay? Luvuyo's going to go first because he's older. Look, no, Luvuyo first. You're going to wait.
Both hands?
Two hands. And
Both
we're going
hands.
to light it for you.
Two hands, yes.
And get ready to go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mix.
Mix.
Yeah.
Okay, well, there we go.
Oh, you're doing it yourself.
Whoa.
That's a big boy. Well
And then we're going to stop.
Well done.
So we're going to stop and we're going to give it to Azza. And Azza, you're going to mix. And two hands. Hold it with two hands. Let me help you. See, you're ready to go. And
Yay!
Oh! Shaking it around.
She's a pro. She is a pro.
And then you're going to stop, and then it's going to be Lily's turn.
Well done, Asa.
Good job.
Lily, two
and
hands.
Then Lily, two hands.
Two hands, Lily. Put both hands.
Two hands, Baba.
Put the other hand here. Come.
Two hands.
Yes.
And are you ready?
I'm holding it.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
And mix. Okay, so we see our butter's nice and creamy now.
What? Hey. Well done.
We slick with it.
High five, everybody. Thank you.
Good jobs.
Thank you. Yay!
Okay, so we have creamed our butter and now we're going to get all of our lemon flavors going. So we're going to squeeze, what's this?
What's that, guys?
What's this? We don't know what it is. Okay, do we want to taste it?
Let's taste it
If we
first.
taste it, are we going to know what it is?
Okay.
Here you go. Do you want to
There you
taste
go.
it? Do you want to eat
Taste
it?
No? Hold it and taste it.
Your face looks like you don't trust us. Do you want to taste it?
Is it? Yum yum.
I've got a no over here. We have future tequila.
I know you're about to say that.
It's about to be lit, Mummy. Oh, are you going to try it again? Oh, we're giving it a shot. Is it peer pressure or are we about it?
No.
That face says, ew, is it sour? Is it sour? What's that?
So guys, it looks like an orange, but it's not an orange because it's sour. It's a lemon. Say it.
Lemon. Because we're making lemon butter cookies. So we're going to take the lemon and we're going to squeeze the juice into our batter. See?
How does that smell, guys?
What does it smell like?
Does it smell good?
Can you smell it? Now, you guys... Oh, we added some more juice. Okay, you guys want really lemony cookies. I see this vision. Okay. Even the ones we bit. Yes, we're getting everyone's juices.
I feel like you should just tell them, listen, put this in there, put this in there. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oopsies. Okay,
Right.
guys, when you bake with kids, be ready for the spills, the messes.
It's a
There's
mess.
no stress.
Adding
just a couple of drops. In with a few drops of lemon essence. How many drops? Can you see? Can you see? Drop, drop.
Guess what, guys? I'm adding some magic.
Magic drops. It's gonna be so lemony.
Abracadabra.
And then we have one more thing to add. Oh, we've got bits of lemon here. So, lastly, we're gonna add some lemon zest. So this is the skin of the lemon. And now everything is gonna taste extra lemony. And we're gonna have a bit of a chewy bite to it. Because we're making cookies, right? Do you like cookies? Doesn't seem like you like the chewy bite. Do you like cookies?
And guess what? There's fruits in there so that you can be big and strong.
What's your favorite fruit? Do you like fruits? What
one
fruit do you like?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh, we fancy. What do you like? Cookies. What fruits do you like as us? Do you like bananas or apples? You don't want fruits. Oh, you like bananas. Okay.
That's
And
very
Lily, what fruit do you like?
Yes, girl.
Yes, girl. Gonna mix again, eh? And everyone's gonna hold it with 2 hands. We're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna add our flour. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna mix.
Mixing time.
Yes,
Captain Cookie Pants.
Are you ready?
Okay, everyone's hands on there.
And hold it.
Everyone hold it. Lily, come, hold it.
Share this
Everyone.
thing. Let's hold it. All of us. And let's mix.
Mix. This is called teamwork. Look, what's that?
What's it?
It's a flower. It's a lower.
Good job.
Flour.
So we're gonna add our premix now. Mix that all up, and once it starts to form a dough, we're getting our hands in there. We're going right on the table. It's fingers time.
Let's make fingers.
And then we're gonna put our fingers after we finish putting in the flour, and we're gonna mix first. So we're gonna let Mama mix because our fingers are sticky now. So wait, Baba, wait.
Okay. Hands out.
Hands out so
Will,
Mama
hands
can
out.
mix.
Hands
Hands
out.
out so Mama can mix. Wait for Mama to mix. Wait.
Coming. Careful.
And in it goes.
So messy.
Can you see? It's getting bigger and bigger.
Smell yummy.
Smells yummy.
Yummy in your nose.
Careful you don't sneeze. All of this flour's gonna go in your nose. You're gonna sneeze.
Looks like smoke. Oh my goodness. What's burning?
The beginnings of the Cookie Monster.
Is my hair dirty? That's what happens.
See, we're cooking with all of us. Every part of ourselves is in there. Look at that, guys. Did you see all those little pieces are now one big piece? All coming
You know
together.
why? Because we added some magic drops. Remember the magic drops?
Yeah.
We're gonna make cookies. So, you wanna go to healthy dough? Hey now, presentation time. Ta-da! Okay guys, everyone take their ball and then we're gonna put the balls in the fridge, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, don't flatten it, don't flatten it. Leave it like this. Okay. Leave it up.
We are back and we're gonna make our cookies, and then after we make our cookies, we're gonna put them
Here's
on
your
the
stop,
tray.
baby. Here's enough stop.
Okay.
Yes, and then teddy bear. Where's your teddy bear?
So fresh and so clean. Not so clean though.
Did he just check himself out? You are my children. Y'all are my
Love
children.
it.
Okay,
Okay, so
right,
guys, remember
cutting.
when you cut your cookies, the skinny part must go down, and then you must press it in and squish it a bit. So you must put it down and press it hard, and then we'll lift it.
Press down. So we don't have kids anymore. They all decided to leave.
Things got boring and they were out. So we have everyone's letters of their names. Some of these shapes have a lot of character, but the homies did the do's and they are very much out. Like, you guys, it didn't take a moment for them to be like, bye.
As soon as it was
the oven and bye.
Y'all know, guys, have kids, eh?
So I love you guys. These are the activities to be thinking of and doing. Getting fingers involved,
It is
identifying
amazing.
shapes, trying to make letters. Goodness, guys, you didn't see the rest. We did everyone's letter of their name, but some of us were like, why is everyone L? Ooh.
Yeah.
Drama every time, all the time.
And you know, funny thing is that I didn't even name them Rio Lolita on purpose. It just happened. But it turned out great.
Our Kardashian vibes.
Yeah.
Just remembered a cookie.
Yeah, I've been putting them together. Heads have been falling.
Circle of life lessons or something, guys.
I like
These
that.
smell so good.
It smells amazing. Can't wait till we start baking.
So we're gonna pop these in the oven and then we will be back when it's time to decorate. No, I lied. We have to sign one off because the decoration one is another one. So we're gonna pop these in the oven, then we're gonna show cookies and then we'll be done.
Well done, guys.
Well done, look at all the shine and the mist and the glitter and the, oh, we just eat it just as us. I'm gonna dip into your lemon curd, please. Thank you.
Are you guys gonna make one for Susie?
Bye bye, see you next time.